song lyrically because of, you know, I'm sure you've heard this story before, some of you, maybe some of you haven't, but I grew up in a very, you know, maybe middle, lower class, just always struggling for money, and my parents would fight non-stop. And when you're like 7 or 8 years old, you can't throw on the headphones and hold up your middle fingers. You can't do that. You know, you don't have that escape yet. You don't have that form of escapism. So what I used to do is I would steal the keys to my mother's Escort. I'd climb out of, me and my little brother had bunk beds. We shared a bedroom. And it was on the 2nd floor, and I would climb out of the tree that I always climbed when I was growing up. I'd climb, stole my mom's car keys, run down that tree, sneak out of my bedroom, and I'd lock myself in the car. And every time that I was in that car, I swear, to this day, it's one of my most vivid memories. I would just throw back the seat and just hear the rain hit the top of the car. So I knew that I had to write a song about it, and the reason why I thought it was so Mickey Mouse is because I was so nervous to actually be that honest and tell everybody exactly what it is that I was going through. But hopefully some of you can relate to that. And yeah, it eventually became Umbrellas and everything. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. This is the original version. By the way, you named that.
Can't relate.
We're talking about names of songs.
That sounded terrible.
No. I'm terrible at words. I'm like, 30 days. We're trying to name it. You're telling me names, and also like, alright, I'm just gonna call Umbrellas and Elephants. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And alright, you want to call it that?
Yeah, because you wanted something.
I wanted something like serious, like Rainy Days or something.
Ready?
I know anything. Ruining the night.
You're not ruining the night. You're doing amazing.
Oh.
Sexy fucking bitch. All right. Sing along. Are you guys down to sing along?
Woo!
Okay, what we'll do, because I know some people are like, oh, but the person sounds like shit when they sing. I'll sing along. What we'll do is we'll have a designated sing-along songs, okay?
Okay.
Is that okay with you guys?
Yeah.
This one's going to be designated sing-along. I want everybody to sing if you feel so inclined. Ready? Your hair is down. Ready?
Hold on. Yes.
Okay.
Just